Here's how to print out your luggage tags for a Holland America cruise. Start by going to hollandamerica.com and then click on this icon to log in. Enter your username and password. Then, on the top right-hand corner of the screen, click on My Account. In the middle of the screen, select the second tab, My Bookings. Here, there are 3 ways to access your luggage tags, but 2 of them add on an extra step. So here's the quickest way. Select Online Check-in. If you haven't already completed the online check-in process, you'll need to do so before printing out your tags. But if you're like me and you just forgot to print them out after checking in, or you need an extra one, you'll just click on this tab, Boarding Pass Luggage Tag. Here, you'll see all the people who are on your itinerary. Select the person for whom you want to print out the luggage tags for. I'll select Tiffany. Then, click on this tab, Print. Select Print Luggage Tag. The tag should now download for you. I'm using an Apple MacBook, so this is where I access my downloads. I'll simply open up the file and then select Print. If you're using a computer that operates on a Windows system, go to your Downloads folder and then print out the file. And that's it. I hope you found this helpful. I hope to see you in a future video. Thanks for watching.